Hi, we're sitting in a 2018 Honda Accord Sport. This is actually the 1.5T version, and I just wanted to explain how Apple CarPlay works. First is you have to use an authentic Apple cord. If you just plug in your phone, there'll be a prompt that comes up that says enable Apple CarPlay. You're going to hit enable. What's going to happen is that this section in the bottom left-hand corner is now going to turn to saying Apple CarPlay. Once you open it, it gives you the same main menu as your phone does. From here, you have functions of texting capabilities, reading texts, going to navigation, playing podcasts, and so on. One of the biggest values in Apple CarPlay in the new Honda models is the navigation feature. You no longer need to pay for an in-dash navigation system. You can just go to Apple Maps and it will open up to an actual map and navigation system that is now in-dash through your phone. This and many other features of the new Apple CarPlay system make this one of the hands-down best new additions to the standard features in a lot of the new Accords. If you have any other questions or wanted to come by, it's 333 Bridgeport Ave, Shelton, Connecticut, Curtis Ryan Honda.